Well, here we are again with another mashup video. We've got another phone here that does work, but is fuck all worth. Got no battery cover for it. And it's an old Sagum, which model I don't know. Let's see what this fucker is. It's not even saying what the fucker is worn out. So I can't read it, so that pisses me off. I'll mash it up then. I'll see what it does when I mash it up when it's turned on. Let's see what this little boy can do. There you are. It's not even got a fucking goddamn MP3 player on it. Battery is empty. Well, it's a demo. Well, before the battery dies, I'll make it screw itself. Well, that didn't last long, eh? That didn't even last a second. Is it still turned on? I don't know. And it's still working. What about that? There it comes again. Oh, look at that. It's still alive. Not for long. Not for long in a minute. Let's mash it up, eh? See what it does when I cut that bit. See, it still goes on. And there goes the camera. It still works. Fucking hell. Wow. That's sick. Damn, that still fucking works. Well, I don't think it works anymore after this. It's not even working anymore. Well, fuck you then, bitch. You're gonna suck my dick. Oh, we got a fucking runner. We got a screaming runner. Well, that fucking stuff stinks. Well, that is the last of them. There we have another mashed up phone. So, there you are, another one. I like that. Hope you enjoyed this another mash up video. And I'm keeping this photo camera. Hey, electric motor. Sad, I wanted to keep that. I'll keep this camera as another trophy. Well, hope you enjoyed this another mash up destruction video. See you in the next time. Have a nice day.